special weather statement for the following counties in Missouri: Bollinger, Cape Girardeau, Perry, and Wayne. Winter storm warning in effect from midnight, or 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday night to 6 p.m., or 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Heavy snow. A band of 8 to 13-inch accumulations across parts of southern Illinois, southeast Missouri, southwest Indiana, and western Kentucky. 6 to 10 inches in other locations across southern Illinois and far southwest Kentucky. Periods of heavy sleet in far southeast Missouri and western Kentucky with freezing rain mixed in. Some sleet accumulation and up to a light glaze of freezing rain. For all southern Illinois, southwest Indiana, western Kentucky, and southeast Missouri. From midnight, or 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday night to 6 p.m., or 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Travel could be very difficult and may become impossible at times. Extreme cold will exacerbate the danger. Cold weather advisory in effect from midnight.